Tourism Awareness Week, highlighting the diversity and strength of an industry that is the country's #1 foreign exchange earner. The Ministry of Tourism, its agencies, and industry partners commemorated Tourism Awareness Week 2019, September 22 to 28, under the theme Tourism and Jobs, a Better Future for All. Throughout the period, the ministry sought to further raise awareness about its human capital development strategy, as well as the career opportunities, traditional and non-traditional jobs available in the sector.
We're concerned about creating opportunities for more people to express their creativity and to expand their reach of participation in economic as well as social development.
Jamaica Tourism Board is the government entity responsible for marketing Jamaica. That's our main aim, marketing. So if you decide to leave here and get into marketing, now marketing is in most cases promoting brands, right? Advertising, promotions, those things. We market Jamaica. You've heard of sites like Orbit, Travelocity, all of those sites. Sometimes you look on if you look on the page, TripAdvisor, if you look on there, you see an ad, come to Jamaica. That's Jamaica Tourist Board.
Throughout the week, the ministry hosted a series of career talks. Schools in the East, West, North, and Central Jamaica were told of the benefits to be gained from working in tourism and the numerous jobs linked to the industry.
How many here would want to own a hotel or get into the hotel management? Yeah? You'd be getting into tourism, wouldn't you? But you wouldn't be you'd be running a hotel. That's tourism. The hotel is going to probably need an accounts department, true? You're going to need an accounts department. You're going to need IT. You can't have a reservation system and nobody to manage or be able to manage that database, right? Interesting. So besides the chefs or waiters or housekeepers, all those persons, I was going to dance for you. We have entertainment coordinators.
Every single career can be linked back to tourism. I think not enough people know that, but I don't know, I don't have a specific take on careers in tourism. I think it's amazing because it's just so broad. Like, if you come into tourism, you're not stifled into one box. You're experiencing so much. There's so much to explore.
Friday, September 27 was the big day. The Ministry of Tourism celebrated World Tourism Day with a Tourism Awareness Expo and concert. The ballroom of the Jamaica Pegasus was full as students, teachers, tourism workers, and ministry officials mingled, danced, and discussed the benefits of an industry that has existed in Jamaica for over 50 years. Tourism, an industry contributing significantly to Jamaica's economy. Next year, the Ministry of Tourism hopes to observe the week bigger and better.